For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Hi guys, hope you all are doing well.
Today we are going to talk about a very common issue because I always get questions about it, that how you can take care of your dry, oily, sensitive or acne prone skin. What if that I'll say that there's only one very simple, affordable and easy solution for all these issues. Isn't it sounds very good? So please keep on watching this video till the end. But before coming to the remedy, I wanted to tell you that if you really care about your skin and you want a solution, you have to follow this remedy religiously, regularly and don't stop or skip this. So I have shared this remedy before also, but I don't know that you have really applied this or used this or not. So I'm going to tell you this again. Start using gram flour, that's besan, and rice flour regularly to wash your face. So what I have done is that I have kept a container. In this container I have mixed gram flour and rice flour, and whenever I need to wash my face, it might be twice or thrice a day, what I like to do is that I just take a spoon of this mixture, add a curd in it and then just rub it on my face for just a minute or 30 seconds will also do, and then just rinse it off using cold or normal water. So both gram flour and rice flour has oil absorbing properties in it, so it will really going to help you to get a control if you are having very excess oil on your face. And also as you are exfoliating your skin with this will help to keep your skin always clean, so there's very less chances of developing any breakouts, acne or pimples. And when you are adding curd in it, it has antioxidants as well as it's super moisturizing as it has fat in it. So if you're having a dry skin, this will help you to get all the moisturization that your skin needs. And if you're having a super dry skin, then you can add just few drops of honey in it. And if you're having regular breakouts, then also you can add honey in it because it again has antioxidants in it. And also honey is a really good ingredient that works against pimples or acne. And if I'll talk more benefits about this, then you really don't need to spend a lot on cleanups or facials if you are getting it done regularly, because already you are exfoliating your skin twice a day or maybe thrice a day, and you are getting rid of all the dirts, blackheads and everything that you are getting. You are cleaning your face with such an ingredient that is already giving you all the nourishment, moisturization that your skin needs. So you really don't need to spend a lot in these kinds of things extra. And secondly, you don't need to spend a lot in the expensive face washes or face cream because you are moisturizing your skin already. And there's also a thing that you need to take care of, the rice flour that you are adding. Try to purchase it from the market because that is more powdery and not at all harsh on your skin. I like to make it in my home because my skin is very normal and I really don't mind if it has some or the other granules in it that comes in the skin and makes me feel that, because I like it that way. But I'll suggest that if you're having sensitive, dry or oily skin, then you should definitely buy it from the market. And also as it's summers, so this remedy is going to help you to get rid of all the tanning. So there's no need of taking extra time in a week to just take care of your skin and to do some DIY to get rid of the tanning that you are getting, because all these three ingredients, that's besan, rice flour and curd, is a very good sun tan removal. So yes, that's about it. These were the things that I wanted to share with you guys. If you really care about it, then start using this regularly because I have personally seen its result. So it's a really trusted remedy for me. So I thought of sharing this with all of you because I always get questions about this. So if you like this video, then you know what to do. You just need to give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section that what else video you guys want to see. I'll be really very happy for doing that. So that's it. Now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.